Now what we want to do is we want to add more fields to our external login Razor page. As we know, everything inside account is a Razor class library. So we'll close it here. We'll go to Solution Explorer. Let me go to Areas, Identity, Pages, Account. In there, we should have external login. Right here, you see it only expects an email. But we want to add more fields like full name and phone number. How will we extract those? In Razor pages, you do not have a model that points inside a separate model. The model is pointed directly to the page inside the page model right here. So what we will do is if we'll go down, we have the input model which has been binded. In input model, we only have email. Let's modify this and we'll add the full name and phone number. We have those fields inside the register page model, so we can copy from there. So right here we have the full name and phone number. While we are here, I'll make them required fields in register as well. Perfect. Then we can copy this, go back to external login and paste it inside the input model. Once we have it inside the page model, here we can extract those. So I'll copy the form group and paste it 2 times. First, let me get the full name of the user and we'll paste that for both of these fields. We'll change that here. After email, last one will be phone number. Let me copy and paste it. And great, this looks good. Now Facebook also provides you with the full name. So how about we automatically populate the full name that we get from Facebook rather than asking user to type that name? We can do that inside the page model where we are getting that, and that will be inside onGet callback async. If we scroll down, you can see in input model we are populating email from info.principal, which is getting it from Facebook. So where we are populating the email, we can also populate the full name. So in input model, we'll populate the full name, and that will be inside the claim types.name. We have made quite a few changes. Let's run our application and see how things are different now. Let's go to register and let's use Facebook. Great, we see full name and email are populated. User still needs to enter phone number and register, but do not be so tempted to do that right now. We still have a couple of changes. When a user registers through Facebook, we have not assigned what role we want to assign that user. Also, we are populating full name and phone number here, but in the post action method or post handler in Razor page, we have not created an application user. If you switch back to the application and take a look at the on post confirmation, here we are just adding a user with email. So we need to make some changes inside the post handler to create an application user as compared to identity user, and then we need to add role. Let's do all of that in the next video and finally register using single sign-on.